Hey, what's up? It's me, Silvano. Thank you for joining me today. So we're going to be taking a look at porting Serato to Rekordbox. Now, obviously, as a working DJ and somebody who swears by Serato, one of my biggest fears of late is what happens if my laptop dies? And as we enter the Christmas period, venues going silent is a real concern for a lot of us. So I'm going to be showing you how to move your Rekordbox library to Serato or your Serato library to Rekordbox. So you're going to need, obviously, a copy of Serato, a Serato library. And as you can see, here's mine. Like every DJ, I have the unsorted folder, which, to be honest, is getting ridiculous now. It's like nearly 1,000 songs, no, nearly 100 and 200 songs deep. It's ridiculous. So the software we're going to be using today is called Record Buddy. Now I have Record Buddy 2. Officially, this is no longer available for download, and it took me so long to find a download link for it. However, I will put copies available on my website at serato.com. Links will be down below for you to download. But I'll also put links to the archive.org using the Wayback Machine, because as you can still download it that way. But obviously, we don't know how long that will be available, so I'm going to put download links for you guys as well. Officially, this isn't supported by Rekordbox 6. However, the way the Rekordbox databases work, it still does work, and it's been working for me for a while. So I have been trying this now for the last couple of weeks, and it works perfectly. So the folder I want to take is my dancehall folder here. Where is it? In Serato. This one, I want to take this one and put it into my Rekordbox collection, as exampled. So just a quick heads up about Record Buddy. As I said, it is in permanent beta. So just make sure you have a backup of your libraries, whether it's your Serato library or your Rekordbox library. But other than that, let's move forward and let's get into the video. So the first thing you always want to do is go into preferences, make sure that duplicate hotkeys and memory queues when writing to Rekordbox, and that convert memory queues to hotkeys when writing Serato. And obviously, if you want to that with basically with Tractor as well, if you still use Tractor, please do be my guest. Obviously, you can also basically how it reads and all this stuff to Rekordbox, but obviously these are the two key parts that we need to focus on. Now, in terms of transferring a playlist from one to the other is so crazily simple in Record Buddy that it amazes me that this isn't still a feature, and well, this isn't still a profitable piece of software for the person who developed it. So you're literally just going to grab your folder, or your playlist, drop it into playlists, in you go, and then you're going to click File, Save Changes. You'll see a Save in Progress bar there. Let it save, and then once it's saved, you should be able to refresh. And there's your folder. And that's pretty much it. It's relatively straightforward. So if you want to find out more about me, where I play, all my mixes, and a bit more about me, you can find out that in the description down below. Alternatively, follow me on Instagram at Silvano. Thanks so much. I'll see you next week. Take care. Much love.